Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalay Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter circle. Today we will learn touching circles and practice set 3.2. Touching circles. If two circles in the same plane intersect a line in the plane in only one point, then they are said to be touching circles and the line is their common tangent. These two circles touches the line at one point. Therefore, these two circles are called touching circles. The point common to the circle is called common point of contact. In the first figure, the center of circle lies to the opposite side of common tangent. In this case, we say that these two circles touches externally. In the second figure, the center of circles lies in on the same side of common tangent. Therefore, in this case, we say that these two circles touches internally. The common point of contact and the center of circles are collinear. A circle touching externally. For the circle touching externally, the distance between their centers is equal to sum of their radii. Here, the circle with center P and the circle with center Q touches externally at point R. Therefore, the point P, R and Q are collinear. And here the point R is between point P and Q. Therefore, P dash R dash Q, this betweenness property occurs. Therefore, longest distance PQ is equal to first shortest distance PR plus another shortest distance QR. But PR is the radius of circle with center P. Suppose we say capital R. And QR is the radius of circle with center Q. Suppose small r. Therefore, distance between their center, that means PQ, is equal to capital R plus small r. Circle touching internally. For the circle touching internally, the distance between their centers is equal to difference of their radii. In this figure, the circle with center P and the circle with center Q touches each other at point R and their center are at one side of common tangent. Therefore, center P, center Q and common point of contact are collinear. In this case, the center of smaller circle is between the point P and R. Therefore, Q is between P and R. Therefore, P dash Q dash R, this betweenness property occurs. Therefore, longest distance PR is equal to PQ plus QR. That means PQ is equal to PR minus QR. Here, the radius of circle P, suppose capital R, and radius of circle with center, suppose small r. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to greater distance minus smaller distance. Greater distance capital R minus smaller distance smaller r. Therefore, PQ is equal to capital R minus small r. Practice set 3.2. Two circles having radii 3.5 cm and 4.8 cm touches other internally. Find the distance between their centers. The radius of a bigger circle is capital R is equal to 4.8 cm and radius of smaller circle R is equal to 3.5 cm. What is condition? These two circles touches internally. Then we know that given two circles touches internally, therefore distance between their center is equal to difference of their radii. That means radius of bigger circle minus radius of smaller circle. That means capital R minus small r. Then what is the radius of bigger circle? 4.8 centimeter minus radius of smaller circle is equal to how much? 3.5 centimeter. Then take subtraction. 8 minus 5 is equal to how much? 3. Decimal point at it is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, distance between their center is equal to how much? 1.3 centimeter. Next example. Two circle having radii 5.5 cm and 4.2 cm touches each other externally. Find the distance between their centers. Here radius of bigger circle is equal to capital R is equal to 5.5 cm and radius of smaller circle r is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Given the two circle touches externally, therefore distance between their center is equal to sum of their area. That means is equal to capital R plus small r. Then value of capital R is equal to how much? 5.5 centimeter, and plus value of small r is equal to how much? 4.2 centimeter. Take addition, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7.8. It is 5 plus 4 is equal to how much? 9. Therefore distance between their center is equal to 9.7 centimeter. In the figure, the circle with center P and center with Q touches each other at point R. A line passing through this point R meets the circle at point A and at point B respectively. Prove that the segment AP is parallel to segment BQ. Also, triangle PAR similar to triangle RBQ. Therefore, in this triangle PAR, PR and PA are radii of same circle. We know that radii of same circles are congruent to each other. Therefore, segment PR is congruent to segment PA because radii of same circle. इथं बघा कॉन्ग्रेस साइन दिलेले आहेत. PR आणि PA हे काय आहेत? तर P केंद्र असलेल्या सर्कलच्या रेडियस आहेत आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे रेडियस आर congruent to each other. Therefore, PR is congruent to PA. Therefore, this triangle has two sides are congruent. We know that if the triangle have two sides are congruent, then the triangle is an isosceles triangle. We know that the base angles of isosceles triangles are congruent to each other. Here PA and PA and PR, these two sides are congruent. Therefore AR is the base. Therefore angle PAR is congruent to angle PRA, but the segment PQ and segment AB intersect each other at point R. Therefore vertically opposite angles are congruent to each other. Therefore angle PRA is congruent to angle QRB because these are the vertically opposite angles. Similarly, in the triangle QBR, QB and Q are radii of same circle. Therefore, segment QB is congruent to segment QR because radii of same circle. Similarly, this triangle QRB have QB and QR. These two sides are congruent to each other. Therefore, QBR is an isosceles triangle. Here BR is the base of this isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle QRB is congruent to angle QBR and both have measure x degree. From 1, 2 and 3, angle PAR is congruent to angle QBR. Therefore, in the triangle PAR and triangle RBQ, angle PRA is congruent to angle QRB because these are the vertically opposite angles. That means from 2. Also angle PAR is congruent to angle QBR from 4. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Hence the proof. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Thank you.